What? Whoa, you're low. You're really low. What is up? Welcome back, everyone. If you are here with me again, this is video number... Can't remember, but thank you for tuning in once again. This week, I started to really think about a middle grade novel.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
Just give me a second. Alright, this is much better. I also got a haircut. Alright, so this week has been very interesting. Similar to last week, it was very difficult for a variety of reasons. But here I am posting again because me and schedules and accountability, I kind of try to use that to keep me on track when it comes to certain things. It also just allows me to keep a routine. Though routines, I do think, are meant to be broken in certain ways, in certain times. But here I am. I don't know why I was saying that to you. This week I struggled with trying to figure out my picture book. So I'm working on two different pieces right now. One piece that has to do with the contract that I signed last year, and then another piece that I just think could be an interesting book for the world, so to speak. And I struggled with just the ideas of it, what it could look like, what it could sound like. So I put it away. That was like Monday or Sunday night. And I decided just to start thinking about something else, which is a little bit scary, but it was a middle grade novel. I've never written a novel before. It is extremely intimidating. It's a lot of words, and I don't love grammar. So all those things together don't necessarily work, but I decided to start at least planning it. And I also wrote a few chapters. So with that, I'm like super excited about just the idea of it. I told my agent that I wouldn't be working on a middle grade, but here I am. I don't have any plans of giving it to him for quite some time because I don't feel comfortable sharing what I have, but I eventually will. And I think that's a good thing about having an agent. They will put eyes on it and they will give you ideas on what to do moving forward and when they think it's a good time to pitch the idea. So I'll give you just an idea of what it's about, but not really. And if you don't know who I am from Canada, from Preston, East North Preston, and they are combined the largest Black community in Canada. What I want to do through this novel is put a light on some of the individuals there, the Black joy that is there. And I really truly just want to let people know that there's Black people in Canada. I know that there are many other authors who do middle grade, who do nonfiction, who do picture books that do share the ideas of us being in Canada. I just want to add to that. And specifically, I want to talk about where I'm from. Through all that, I want to talk about family, I want to talk about friendships, but I also want to talk about what it looks like for a kid. So you will be following along a kid in his journey through lots of different ups and downs, and you may have snippets of I'm just gonna leave it at that, actually. I won't share anymore. But I'm super excited about it. One of the things I'm working on as a writer is structure. I love craft, and as I mentioned before, I don't love the idea of grammar. Picture books allow me to be a little bit more flexible, so I'm a little bit curious of what my agent and possible editors will think about my novel, because it doesn't really follow the traditional text in regards to the format, in regards to the sentence structure, and in regards to the voice. I don't think it follows any of those things. So I will be very interested just to see what they think. But again, they won't see that for a very long time. Other than that, my week has been okay. Again, I took a break from Twitter and Instagram, and it was lovely. I highly recommend it. I have been posting a lot on Facebook, which actually feels good because I actually have a better connection on Facebook than I have in almost all of my other platforms, because Facebook is kind of home where most of my family and close friends are. And it's just really nice to see some of you engaging, and I just appreciate it so much. So thank you so much. Continue to share it. Continue to communicate with me. I love when you comment so I can comment back. I love hearing from people that I haven't talked to in a long time. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. I might try to do 2 videos next week, maybe, but we'll see. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Peace. Stay safe. I'm out.